Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Experts project a bullish pattern for, in a real sense, spell really token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $7 mark. The truly current market cost of one really spell commonly token most certainly is $15, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The cost of one generally spell would explicitly reach as genuinely high as $168 by 2030. The negative cost expectation for especially spell exceptionally token spell in 2040, especially is 0.93 and 57, with a very possible kind of high of $110 in an unobtrusive manner. Long-haul investigation proposes that in every practical sense, spell token cost might actually flood to $1.29 by 2050, with a genuinely likely reach somewhere in the range of $1.22 and $1.41, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Starting around 04 Walk 2024, generally spell token in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.15 in term of its host rate with a value change of 1.7% in most recent 60 minutes. Spell for the most part has an all-out market cap of $165 and a 21,984 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $73,634 170, or so they explicitly thought. This basically makes explicitly spell genuinely token spell extremely positioning at 351 in the digital money market in a sort of significant manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the spell pretty symbolic cost forecast finish of 2024, what will really spell especially token certainly be genuinely worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner, is in every way that really matters, spell truly token an essentially wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will really spell cost by and large outperform its untouched high, as opposed to prevalent thinking. These by and large are our for the most part spell especially token cost expectations for spell's future in an especially huge manner. Spell especially token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell exceptionally token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the spell cost by and large is supposed to, for the most part, cross a genuinely normal value level of $16, the normal especially least value worth of fundamentally spell really token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to sort of be $0.16 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, basically spell can especially arrive at a most extreme value level of $19, which basically is genuinely critical. Spell most certainly token spell value estimate February 2024. The spell pretty token spell cost for February 2024 may fundamentally arrive at a sort of least worth of $911, while the greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $912, or so they thought. The truly normal cost for truly spell especially is anticipated to explicitly reach $0.12 in February 2024, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of in a real sense spell pretty token for the most part is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.12 in a by and large huge manner. The spell most certainly token value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $-13 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $-12 in USD, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell value figure April 2024. Concerning April 2024, basically spell token sort of is supposed to arrive at a really least value worth of $-12. The spell cost could arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $13 with the especially normal cost around $12 in an extremely significant manner. Spell value gauge May 2024. The spell kind of symbolic figure for May 2024 expects that the spell might arrive at an especially greatest worth of $14 with a base cost of around $12 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the genuinely normal cost most certainly spell can by and large stretch around $13 for May. Spell truly token spell value. Figure June 2024. The spell genuinely token spell cost for June 2024 may generally arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $913. while the genuinely greatest estimated cost truly is around $114 in a kind of large manner. The in every practical sense normal cost for explicitly spell is certainly anticipated to generally reach $113 in June 2024, which for the most part is very huge. Spell essentially token spell value gauge July 2024. The spell certainly token spell cost for July 2024 may sort of arrive at a very least worth of $0.014, while the by and large greatest gauge cost generally is around $0.015, or so they most certainly thought. The very normal cost for fundamentally spell explicitly is truly anticipated to explicitly reach $0.14 in July 2024. Spell really token value estimate August 2024. The normal cost of, for the most part, spell pretty token spell could in every practical sense go to $0.14 toward August 2024 in and unobtrusive manner's end. Spell could in a real sense exchange around a by and large most extreme worth of $0.16 with the all things considered least expected cost of $0.14 in an exceptionally significant manner. Spell fundamentally token spell value conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of really spell genuinely token for the most part is basically anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.015, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.016 and a kind of least of $0.014, which by and large is genuinely huge. Spell pretty token spell value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, really spell all things considered, token cost especially is estimate to arrive at an in every practical sense, most reduced cost of $0.015 amazingly. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.017 with the kind of typical expected cost around $0.015. Spell value gauge November 2024. The spell sort of token conjecture for November 2024 expects that the spell may generally arrive at a greatest worth of $118 with a fundamentally least cost of around $115, which in a real sense is very critical. Discussing the extremely normal value spell can especially stretch around $0.16 for November, which basically is genuinely critical. Spell value estimate December 2024. Concerning December 2024, by and large spell pretty token basically is supposed to sort of arrive at a very least value worth of $0.16 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The spell cost could especially arrive at a very most extreme cost of $119 with a by and large normal cost around $116. Spell fundamentally token past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been for the most part diminished by 245% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we sort of look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which basically is genuinely critical. From